Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chi. I am a Nigerian YouTuber and a hairstylist. So today's tutorial is going to be how to come up with this simple hairstyle for school for little girls, especially if you are like having a little challenge with your child's edges. So this style is going to, because of how the style is, the hair is not going to all pull at the edges, so it's going to give it time to grow back. And since I have a braid over the edges, it also made it gave it time to breathe and recover, and then you have access to the edges to apply whatever works for you to help it come back. And the hairstyle is really easy, it is safe, the tension is very minimal because there is no hair extension. So this is just simple school hairstyle. You can see what we have left on her edges, so I really need to be careful with it so that it can grow back and fill up that space. And I want to plead with you as you watch the video to please do not skip the ads. That way I can make some money from this video. As you can see, we still need some improvement with the video quality and everything, so please be supportive, and I wish you love and light as you do that. Sincerely, may God just bless you. And also guys, you can check out other hair tutorials for little girls. If you have a little girl, you can get enough styles on my channel to just play with her hair every single maybe 2 weeks or every time you make her hair, because I have a lot. Even if you have short natural hair, I have little clients that have short 4C type of hair. Okay, for this style, after making this first section, I left it off, so I'm just going to show you how to make that design you saw on the hair. I made the first section and left it off, then I made the second section and made those triangles in the middle section. When I was done, I added the tail of the triangles to the two different sections. That's what you're about to see now, and by just looking at it, you're going to understand what I just explained. So please, again, do not skip the ads. Thank you so much as you do that, and let's just keep watching.